If you do this, you breathe this, and you're at risk for silicosis. Silica is a form of quartz that is found naturally in almost all rock, sand, soil, brick, and concrete products. Exposure to fine silica is a serious threat. Any job that includes crushing and drilling rock or concrete, masonry or concrete work, mining, tunneling, demolition, or sandblasting can lead to exposure. Exposure to silica can lead to silicosis, a type of pulmonary fibrosis characterized by scarring of the lungs that makes it difficult to breathe. As the disease progresses, symptoms can get more serious. Silicosis can be progressive, disabling, and sometimes fatal. It also increases your risk for developing other lung diseases, such as lung cancer, tuberculosis, and COPD. The good news is that this disease is completely preventable.